Hello everybody, thanks for joining me again. Well, I'm on the Dartmouth Steam Railway today. I'm currently at Kingswear station. Dartmouth is just across the river here. And the other day I took a trip on the actual steam train itself all the way from Paignton to here. So I'll show you a little bit of that, but I decided to come here on what is looking to be the hottest day of the year so far. But I have found some shade on the station itself, so I'm waiting for the train from Paignton to come in. I'm going to find myself a spot down the track where I can photograph it coming along the river, hopefully. Anyway, let's go and see what we can find, shall we? Well, first, why don't we take that trip on the steam train from Paignton to Kingswear, and I'll mostly keep quiet and let you enjoy the sights and sounds of the trip. But along the way, why don't you look out for the images you would have taken if you had your camera with you.
Tickets out for the spectrum by the train crew.
I'm standing currently by the edge of the River Dart with the Naval College across the way there, but I'm by the side of the railway track here. Now I'm hoping that in about 10 minutes time the train from Paignton is going to arrive, and I'm going to be able to get quite a nice shot of it coming along the river here. Let me show you the image I'm thinking about. So I'm hoping if I get the camera high enough, I can rest it on top of one of these concrete posts along the fence here. And with the track bending round to the left of the shot there, I should be able to get the engine coming straight at me with still the carriages in view behind and that lovely bend of the river there. Now, who knows if this is going to work, but we can but try. While we're waiting, let's just show you the view across the river here. So did I get the image I was looking for? Well, almost. I really like this. I've got the train prominent on the right hand side with the carriages leading away into the distance. But I hadn't thought about having a wide angle lens. But I did get this shot as the train was coming along, zoomed all the way in at 55mm, and you can see a little bit of reflection of the train carriages in the water as well. Just as the train came past, I managed to get this. Now it's really close up, but what I was able to do was come up with this image, probably one of my favourites from the trip. I like the black and white, how it gives that contrast of the steelwork against the trees, and you can see that blurred effect of the heat. Back at the station, I had a quick look around. There's a small tea room, and obviously the architecture's typical of these Great Western railway stations. Plenty to photograph, like these signal boxes. And out on the station I found a little bit of shade. Now a couple of years back I actually took these two photographs. This one I think just sums up today really. It was so warm. This couple sheltering in the shade I think works really well, leading away to the carriage in the background. And for some reason this image just made me smile. Again, I was trying to capture the structure of the building and place the two signs just in a pleasing position. Now of course, as the train was manoeuvring into position for its journey back to Paignton, I was able to get some nice video of the platform and the firebox, and it gave me an opportunity to get some more images. I really like this one. I like the composition with the train on the left, but the more you look at this image, the more you see the signal box and the 25 sign, and then down the track you can see some people on the footpath. This image is a lot more simple. I just wanted to get the houses of Kingswear in the background and have a shallow depths of field just to blur them out slightly. But as always, you know I like black and white, and I think the image looks a lot better in black and white. You can see more contrast in the side of the engine, and the black just emphasizes the engine itself. Well, I think I'm going to call it a day. Maybe a short video just this week, but it is very, very hot, and not sure if the photographs are that good, but it doesn't matter. I'm out and I'm enjoying some glorious weather. So anyway, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all again soon. But for now, cheerio.